Hello everyone. One of the world's most recognized cotton brands was in India, not as a textile manufacturer, but as the organization safeguarding the authenticity of Egyptian cotton. During Bharat Tex, I had the opportunity to spend time with Dr. Mohammed Abdel Wahab, technical manager, and Mr. Ali from the Egyptian Cotton Association. Our conversation offered an interesting perspective on how one of the world's most valuable textile brands protect its global reputation. Hello everyone. Today we have Dr. Mohammed Abdel Wahab, technical manager with Egyptian Cotton Association. We welcome him, Dr. Muhammad. Welcome.
Welcome. Nice to meet you.
And same here. And for our viewers, can you tell us about the association, what you do, how you represent your companies, and what benefit do you offer?
Okay. Egyptian Cotton Association is responsible for promoting and protection the legacy of Egyptian cotton.
Okay, and is this is your first time participating in India?
No, we participate in most of we participate in a lot of exhibition in India. Yes.
Okay, and how's the response? Is the companies meeting you? What sort of interest that you have seen?
Actually, we are so happy to participate at Bharat Tex, especially this is one of the most important exhibition over the world regarding textile fairs.
Okay.
We have very close to our licensees in order to awareness to reduce the awareness introduction for licensing also.
Wonderful. Dr. Mohammed has already shared with us the list of certified companies that Egyptian Cotton Association has, and I'll be happy to share, and the link will be attached in the video. Do feel free to contact them in case you need any help or any support from the Egyptian Cotton Association for your sourcing and buying needs. Thank
Yeah,
you.
sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mohammed,
you.
for giving us the time.
Nice to meet you. Thank
Same
you so
here.
much. Thank you.